All right. So you're learning ARS apparently.
Like to I'd like to start releasing stuff like some modules, components, plugins, whatever.
Yeah.
Also, maybe other stuff outside of Joomla, like maybe like if I do a quick video showing people how to do stuff, maybe some sort of PDF download or else some other files or whatever.
Yeah.
And ideally, I'd like to store it all on Amazon S3, rather than on local because you can set URLs to be only accessible by that domain, so people couldn't share the download link, for example.
Mhm.
So this is really the things I wouldn't mind knowing how to achieve.
Well, the one thing we have been trying to do is that to have it stored on AWS S3,
Hmm.
except that ours, I mean, Nicholas removed the support for Amazon.
He removed
So
it?
yeah, he removed it in the last versions.
Why?
Uh,
Um,
it's possible to move afterwards. I mean, it's not like you're set for good after that. You can always change the paths.
yeah,
Mm.
perfect. So so anyway, what should I show my screen?
Yeah, if you want. Yeah.
Uh, I'm aware of your time as well, so
Oh, no,
yes,
no worries.
I guess just if I can get it set up kind of quickly and then understand it, then I can carry on without bothering you. Uh, what do I have to set up first? I have to set up environments or release
First thing you have to set is the category. This
category?
is really where you want to start. That's where you're gonna store your basically the one set of files you want to make available.
Uh, I think the first thing you was asking me was
So,
about the media.
I will share with you. I'm going to send you after that. I'm going to send you a document I've wrote to ourselves to set up ours for our own extensions,
Oh, great.
so that you can see how that works out. But um, the one thing that's important is to have it, and the other thing, um, you cannot store your files under the media folder. It's just what you're trying to do.
Ah,
So,
yeah.
I was like, I was talking and suddenly I see you doing this. I said,
Ah,
yeah, you cannot use the media folder. It doesn't work.
I
It has to be under a folder on your server to
below the
be,
public or
yeah.
ah,
So what we've done is I mean, we use releases as the main directory, and then we put everything in there under that.
okay. So then
Yeah.
release it.
Yeah, it's
Okay. So then right. So then should delete all these.
yeah, because it does use its own access rights, and then it's not compatible with the media access rights.
Fine. Just get rid of these things and then I won't have a
Mm,
mess. Okay, fine. So that is done. So
mhm.
now I can put this here, which is releases. Oh, how do I know which
And then
folder?
you have to create the directory first because it's not going to allow you to save it before.
But I have
Um,
created like this, so it's underneath the public directory. But how do I tell?
yeah.
Um,
And then yeah, you have one releases, but then you need to create a category for every software you want to create to
so
make available.
I do
So
like
if you create, for
components.
example, for us, we have J2 Commerce directory,
Yeah.
and under that we would have our releases and our versions for it.
So I should create a folder for each product.
Yes, yes,
Okay, okay, okay.
yeah, that would be a category for each product.
Okay, okay, okay. So trying to think what I have got that I would use as an example.
Well, we usually directory we call it the name of the apps. For example, if we have an add-on that's called uh, simple CSV, so we call it PLG underscore J2 store underscore simple CSV, which is the name of the product.
Yes.
It
So one
makes it easier
second.
to find,
Here we go.
but that's really up to you.
There you go. I'll call
Yeah,
this
if you
one.
call it like that, yeah, perfect.
Yeah, fine. So then
Mm.
this one will be the category or not?
So this is the files directory. Yeah,
So this is for a category, they're not for a file, right? So I can just
yeah.
go with
So you hold on. I'm gonna get my document so I don't make any mistakes in what I'm telling you.
okay.
Because some things are tricky and I made some things um, automatic so that we don't have to think about it anymore. Okay. Yeah. So the category. The category doesn't take into account I see it, it does take it in. Releases. Oh, how do you spell releases? EA, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But then okay, but then
Because in our files we have releases without anything in front. Releases slash and then the
yes, but then this is for category, right?
yeah.
They're saying it doesn't have a specified directory. Do I need to do the full like thing like home, whatever, whatever?
The one directory you created with the module chat.
This one?
Yeah, no, the mod admin chat.
Yeah.
It's part of your directory name.
But this is a category, right? Not the release.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, that should be made. No slash in front of releases. Okay, that should be it.
Just what directory does not exist in your
Maybe is there an option in the options of ARS? Because we have set it up so long ago, so I have to check. In ARS, do we have? I think we have to specify which directory you have everything. Let me check. To go back to our. That's all. I was out of our site and I was there a minute ago. Okay. Okay, ARS. You don't need to specify it in the options.
yeah, there's nothing in the options to it. But this is just categories, right?
Yeah. But this is the main, that's where you start. So if you can create one, it's not good.
Surely I must start with this for the files directory, right? Because
Yeah,
just a
but
category.
what's your spelling? Is there any issue with the spelling?
So like that, maybe?
No, it's not this is the problem is the files directory. So, or it doesn't have access to it.
Maybe. No, 755 is okay, right?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna open my
Let's copy and make sure
files.
the spelling is right. This is a bit you expect to be easy, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's not in the it's not in at the moment we're in the public HTML folder and this is below it. So is it like got to be the
Yeah, because ours, I am like public HTML, and then I have the releases folder, and then I
but
have all
this
my
is you
extensions.
mean it's in public HTML your releases folder?
Excuse me, what do you say?
Is it within public HTML is it releases or not?
Yeah, that ours is just
Ah,
under public HTML.
yours is under. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So I've done the same then. That's fine. Um, you're not using cPanel, right?
Mhm.
Maybe it's like this then. No,
No, it's weird because ours doesn't need to do that. Mm. Oh, you're not in published HTML.
no.
No, you have to be under published HTML.
I see. We're saying it a different way around. Right, got it. Okay,
Yeah, that's it.
fine. Then that is what I'm doing.
It's very,
You're
you
saying
know,
under it, I'm saying it like under it, over it, the wrong way around.
oh, okay. Inside.
Yeah, 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 inside, yeah. Okay, cool. Problem solved.
All right. But then, so
Right.
then you have to do it for every extension you do. So, like, you can't have a category module like this. You have to have your mod. You call it mod
Oh, mod admin chat.
admin chat. Yeah.
Oh, everything is a category is an actual.
Yeah, it's actually the name of your extension, which will receive all your releases and versions of it.
Okay, that's confusing.
Mm-mm. Yeah, you have the first time you create it, you were like, oh, I want just a general, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect. This is
Okay,
exactly
okay,
that.
okay. Fine, let's just leave that one like that for now.
Yeah.
See you. Have a good evening.
So, and then you can, for us, for example, if you go back to it, to the category, we we um
Maybe I'll
we
tag it as
put
a module.
uh you can add tags if you want to. Yeah, perfect. So like that you'll be able in front end to go by tag when you want to users to see your apps in a certain way.
Okay, okay, okay. Makes sense.
And then
Do I
the
do this
direct the
unauthorized link?
direct the directory type is a very useful one. If you have, you can leave it on normal, which means that you have to create everything by hand. But if you make it as bleeding edge, then every time you create a new version of your software, you can put it under a certain directory, which is the version number, and add the files to it. And every time, and you will be able to access the page of your extension, which will automatically create the releases and the items for the releases. So oh yeah, I'm gonna explain it again later. It'd be easier if you go through the rest first.
Oh, okay, okay.
Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
fine, fine, fine.
Yeah.
So then unauthorized links or not?
Um, no, no, you said it no. And then if you want to what we do with J2 Commerce is that we set a user access level for each extension so that we know if a user doesn't have access to that extension, he will be able to download it.
So I have to create one
So
user
you
for
can,
every level has one.
yeah. So we create a group for every extension.
Yeah, okay, fine. Oh wow.
Mm.
Gonna
So
get
you do exactly. Um, and then you give it an access level and give the super user access to it.
oh, I didn't know this. Yeah. Super user as
Yeah,
well. Okay, fine.
yeah,
Okay.
like that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So
And
I'm gonna
so
yeah.
yeah. So releases and items, you don't touch them. You don't need to create them. We will create them automatically, and
Great.
because did you save it? Did
Yeah.
you save the category as bleeding edge?
Yes. Yes. It
Yes,
does.
it is. So yeah, then I will see after that.
Okay. Great. And then field and field
And
group.
then fields you don't need anything like that. Download logs, no, you don't need um, download as the IDs, you don't need either.
Mhm.
Then the only thing you need is the update stream. That's you need to create automatically, manually. Sorry.
Oh, okay. So then what just go
Uh,
like this or not?
so in this way, for modules, every type has a different, has a different release XML. So it can become a little tricky.
Uh,
But for the module, in your case, so update server, so you stream name, you call it whatever you want. It's the stream name that everybody sees in their console in Joomla. So you want to make it something that's you can even add your company name in the front of it. See if you want, so that people know that's you.
oh, right.
Mm,
Okay, fine.
yeah, and
And
then an alias could be the same as the category. Yeah. And then you add your category to it. You have it,
yeah,
and it's an extension type module.
gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, and
Um,
then element. There's no element in module.
okay.
Hold on. You still have to put something.
Mm-hmm.
Um, mod. Yeah, yeah. Call it mod admin chat. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The username pattern. It's gonna be the full name, and then if you want to have a different name for every version you have, so we usually so you're gonna have something like that for the first version, for example.
Can I use dots or I need to use
So
dashes?
you need see it's a pattern. So instead of the number, you're gonna put a star, for example. Um,
Oh, right.
so
Okay, okay.
so
But I
yeah.
use dots or dashes or
No, it's just do one star and then nothing else. Just the
oh,
rest of the number you don't need to. Yeah, like
oh, I
that.
see. Yeah.
Like that, it's going to recognize every time he has a file with something after model chat.
Okay.
And then the site area, okay, and then enable. Yeah, that's it. That's all you
Okay.
need. And then you can try and click on XML to see if that does
Wait one
something.
second. So we can click on the XML you said.
Yeah, you can click on the XML. See, there's nothing in there, but the XML is going to be created
It
when
exists.
you have
Okay.
something in there. When you have a release.
Oh,
Mm.
okay, okay, okay.
So that's all you need to do on the R side.
This description.
Now
We don't need this.
automatic subscription
Descriptions.
descriptions. No, we don't use that. Environment. You may want to add environment actually. Um,
Oh,
because it doesn't have if it doesn't contain all the Joomla stuff. You need to add 5 and 6.
oh,
Mm.
oh! I gotta add Zoom. All of them by one though. Right, right.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Okay. Okay. Why doesn't it
Um,
have it? That's crazy.
yeah, I mean if your extension works for 5.0 and for the rest you just call it 5 and then it's gonna take that.
Don't copy this then. Each one.
Yeah, you can just copy and paste. But I'm not going to copy and paste because there's no service copy.
Yeah, but I can just I can put it on the other screen and then
um,
can do.
what do we have in ours? That's useful. Um,
So what does this update stream platform
so
mean?
we have, I created everyone. Forgot about it. Yeah, I created 5.0, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I mean, it's only 5 different ones per release, so it's not that bad anymore. Mm.
Uh-huh. Okay, won't take me very long anyway. But what do you call what is this XML update thing?
What do you
This
mean?
this
That
button. This
What
one,
is
yeah.
it for?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because when people download your extension, you can specify under which Joomla version they can do it. And then if, for example, if they can't, you have to set Joomla 4, Joomla 5, and that's it. And then your XML file will have all the versions for Joomla 4 and 5 in there.
Good. Cool. And you say 3 and 4 is all I need, right?
Very much, because I mean, your extension is for Joomla 5 and 6, right? Or even 4.
Or just
Yeah.
5 at the moment, I guess.
Because when I release, let's see, items.
So there's no Joomla 5.5 or
No, there's never going to be, and the same for same for 6. We don't plan on having anything higher than 4. So it's 4.4, 5.4, 6.4.
that's cool.
Yeah. Except if one day we have a major issue and we have to go further with the release, but so far it's
Not
not
the
been
plan, right?
planned. No.
Yeah. Okay.
Um, so you may have extensions that only work on 5.4 and not on 5.3. So that's why you need to specify um,
Okay,
to make
cool.
sure that you have all of them available. So there's 2 that you will have to create. Actually, maybe 3. Let's see. That you don't have. I don't know where you at what. Oh, yeah, okay. These 2. I mean, this is for you, for the label is really for you to remember, but the
Yeah,
important
but I
thing
want them to go in
is
order.
yeah. Oh yeah. But if the XML part is the one part that's important.
Yes.
Mm.
Oh, gee, what's happened to my system? Hey, slowing right down, huh? Okay, there you
And
go.
then
What?
oh, the 6.1 is 6.0.6.1, you have an issue.
What?
You didn't set the 6.1.
This one?
Yeah, the label is 6.0.
Oh, well spotted.
Okay, there are 2. Let's see. Joomla, can you let me see the Joomla 4 you have? Okay, what you want to do is to create see Joomla 4 it stops at 4.1, but I don't know if you want to specify all the ones after
Oh, it has
that.
no look, it has no box to tick either. It's
Oh,
weird.
that's odd. I thought,
Yeah.
let me see mine.
No, it's fixed. It's because I had it open in another window, maybe. Okay, don't worry.
Oh no, it's yeah, okay. That's must be because it's yeah. There's one. There's 3 of them that you need to create. Is Joomla 4.x. This
Uh,
is see this will allow you to specify for release that it can be all of the Joomla 4 versions. So you can just yeah no you just put 4. That's it. If you leave it like that, it will allow any Joomla 4 version, and you have to do it for 5 and 6.
oh, okay.
Mm. So Joomla 5.x and then 5. Okay. Yeah, perfect. So like that, you can tell, okay, this extension is going to work under all versions of 5, all versions of 6.
Okay.
It's easier than handpick everyone if they
Yeah.
are.
Yeah. Yeah. God, I can't. One day I'm gonna volunteer to go in the branding team and remove this bloody exclamation mark. I hate it.
Yeah, I know, and people don't know how to use it either, so it's more confusing than anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
So
so then you're good for that with that.
okay, so then that's everything, is it?
Um, yeah, and then now I have to wonder in the options if there's anything specific. Um,
Pick format. So
if you go to update stream, make sure that you have the layer mode on. Okay, and shorts checksums, it's up to you. It's, people are more comfortable if they can match the checksum of your that you highlighted, and the one that they do on the zip file to make sure it's not corrupted.
mm-hmm. Okay.
So and that's about it. So now you're pretty much all set for that module.
Okay. So now I just have to
So
upload it to here.
So what you can do is, okay, so now under each extension or category of created here,
Mm-hmm.
you specify a version number. So if that's 001, so 0.0.1 is going to be a folder.
Let me just check. So every time
Every time you want to release a new version, you create a new directory with the version number
okay, so I don't
under your
need
category.
so I don't need to create it on my local though, right?
Now you just do it
Or
in
do
there. I do it right in there because
okay.
we're using the bleeding, and I'm going to show you what it does. Just numbers, yeah, just fab.0.0, okay?
And then I can put these in here.
And then you can put um, your file in there.
Uh-huh. So then
What did
is
you put
there
in there?
I put all of the files
Oh, no,
from
you
one.
need to put a zip version of it. Mm,
Okay.
yeah, you need to
It,
do,
and then
yeah,
I need to give the zip a certain name or no?
yeah, it has to be the name that you specify in the stream. Remember, there's a pattern in the update stream, which is the name of your extension, and then we put a star where the number should be. So basically, it's easier for the user. Yeah, if you have it like this,
Okay, perfect. And then
it's how it should be.
is
Yeah.
there something I can do to automatically increment the numbers when I do?
So whenever you create a new version, you create a new directory with the version number and a new zip file under it.
Uh-huh. But is there a
Eh,
way that I can increment the XML file easily by doing some command in GitHub?
yes, you could. I think if you look into, you may be able to find some automated version of it. With what's his name, who create Bearzamp.
Oh, Bear.
Bear, yeah,
I
but what's
don't
his
know.
name? Forgot now.
Me too. I just
Wow.
call him Bear.
Yeah. Well, anyway, on his GitHub account, he's created.
Oh yeah, he showed me that, and I haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, I haven't tried it yet either. I need to try that.
I
Just to
said to
make.
him I would do it when I have some spare time, so I'll do it on Sunday.
Yeah, you may find some stuff in there that allow you to automate most of the stuff.
Right. Cool. That'll
Yeah.
be good. Yeah, I want to
So
do that and create the zip automatically
yeah,
as well.
because I've been able to do it with J2 Commerce because it's easy. It's just one app, but I need to do it's we have one repository for this, and it's more complicated because we have another repository with all our extensions, but each extension is not a repository. They are all in the same one, so it's more complicated, more
It
complex to
would be
automate.
better if this worked with
Mm.
GitHub somehow, wouldn't it?
Yeah. But on GitHub, what I've been able to do is create an action that sends the package we create that are released,
Hmm.
send them directly to our FTP server. I
Oh,
can even,
okay.
yeah, I can even share that with you.
Is it difficult? Can I do it
No,
now or no?
no, not now. I need to send you the file, and you'll see.
Okay.
It's
Yeah, that'd be
rather.
great because that's what I'm planning on putting it all on GitHub anyway. So,
Yeah, because then you can say, okay, you can enter the version you want it to be. what's the directory it has to go to, and then it sends it right away, and then you don't have to create anything.
Fantastic. Yeah, that would be great. I'm gonna
That's
do that.
FTP'd automatically. I have
Yeah,
to finalize it because I'm not finished with that. I can automate it even more, but I have a
give it to
mixed
me.
version
I'll
right
start automating some stuff as well and give it back to you with better stuff done.
now. Yeah, it is crazy what you can do now with
Yeah,
GitHub Actions and stuff. So,
yeah,
but then yeah, you don't have to send the files manually like we are doing now. You just could do it directly from GitHub.
mm,
It's
mm.
possible.
It's good. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so that's ready. So now what you're gonna do is create a menu item in your on your site.
So maybe.
And what you're
Oh, I
gonna
have one here
do
already.
is it's gonna be a menu item just for you. So only super users gonna have access.
Oh,
So you create a category, bleeding edge categories, yep. And then you
right.
make it whatever you call it, whatever. It's where you're gonna be able to release automatically. And you make it super user, yeah. And then
Then it doesn't need to be find there and then hide it as
uh,
well.
yeah, only you will see anyway.
Oh, that's true. Yeah,
Mm.
doesn't need to hide it then, do I?
But it's fine. It's double protected like that.
Yeah, no. Obfuscation is no security. Oh, it's kind of like
But
Nicholas
no,
already.
because now since this is super user, so only you can see it, so it's good.
Yeah. Okay. So now if I press this, what will happen?
Yeah. Yeah, press it. Okay, so now you see your app.
Yep.
Can you click on this?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. See, it's already ready for you. So what happens is go back to that ARS directory. So now you can see under releases, it created for you the releases 5.0.0
Oh, an
and
item.
items. That's it will add, or if you have several files, it will add all of them. Mm.
So, but it won't add the category automatically.
No, it doesn't create a category automatically. It takes whatever is in the categories and it creates the releases and items for them. And then now if you go to the update stream, then
Oh,
you go on the XML and it's created
okay.
the the one XML that people need to ping to be able to download your extension directly from Joomla.
So now this will be very easy to create the next one, right? Oops. There.
Yeah, and you need to create the directory first on your server so that
Oh, yeah.
to be able to save.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then this will be
These you want to make available to the public, right?
right.
You don't even you don't even need to create access rights for it.
Do you mean?
The access is going to remain public at the after that.
Oh, I see. I need to
Yeah,
create like
because if you want to make it available to the public for
oh,
free,
I see.
you
Yeah.
leave it public, and if you don't, you want to change it. Yeah, create an
Right,
access.
right. So
Mm.
then what's that? So then what do I need to change here to allow them to download it?
To download it for free.
No, if I want to say it was subscribed or something.
Okay. But you have to create like you did with mod admin chat. You need to create
I
mod
got this.
admin chat subscriber. But this is something you created before, right?
Yeah. So I got this one. So I
You can
can,
use this one instead, yeah.
yeah,
If
for
you
this,
don't use it
this
for
is a
anything else.
different module anyway. So
Mm.
what I need to change these or not?
No, no.
Oh, okay. So I just need to leave it like that. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And then,
And
okay,
then you're good for this.
so
And
then,
then you need to create the update. stream.
Oh, I have to.
Mm, yeah.
I can't just add.
What you can do, no, don't do new. Do click on the ones on the box and then do a copy. Right.
Uh,
And then you just modify the second one.
uh,
It's sometimes easier if you have so much stuff.
yeah, for sure. Um,
Sorry, this noise.
that's cool. Um,
You keep pretty much the same.
okay, so that
Yeah.
looks okay, right?
Yep. Look at the XML to see if there's something in there. If you see if there is an issue with the excuse me, the stream is gonna okay, it's working.
Fine. And so then now I can just put the files there, or just put
Excuse me. Yes, you put
just
the same
file,
thing. You put the
zip file.
number of the directory
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
and then the file.
Let me see which version I have on this one. Oh come on, what's this? It's
Gonna
not the right
update.
one. Yeah, I'm trying to open it in. Oh, this one is saying 1.0.1. Okay. So then I need to zip it.
Yep. You zip it, you name it like the convention you put in the stream.
I'm gonna find a way to do this better. Okay. So now, oh, now I have to do the bleeding edge again. All right. Let's click on this
Yep.
again. Now it should work or not?
You should be able to refresh. Should be.
Oh,
Oh, you didn't. Maybe we didn't select. There's a bleeding edge category. Make sure you have it.
I thought I did. Um, yeah.
Oh, it is.
Is it because of the access?
Well, I mean, yeah, but your super user should be. Oh,
Maybe.
maybe the access doesn't have super user as a group. Yeah.
Aha. Okay. 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 All right.
Yeah,
That's
there's.
pretty easy. So then,
And then say it's already created your version.
okay. And then if I need, there's nothing I would ever need to update the XML or anything, right?
Well, the thing is that now you still have to add an update server tag in your XML of the extension itself.
Oh, yes. Okay. So
Mm.
then, for example, this one. Uh, so then, oh, and a change log or no? Here,
No,
receive
the
the
update
update server is here.
server, yeah, which is going to be a different link because
Yes. So how,
let me
yeah.
give you the link in the chat because it's kind of I don't even remember how I figured out this one, but
Uh-huh.
uh, it's not it's not an easy path. Or I had it a minute ago. All right, where are you? Update server. Do. It's gonna be this path. I mean, no, it's not going to be this path. You have to change the first part when you put GD commerce. But the important part is the option equal com ARS, and ID equal, and it's going to be the category ID.
Gonna be like
So
that, right? Oh no, it's gonna be
no,
ID, ID.
the ID of the category.
So yeah, it's
What we
gonna
have
be
done,
two then, right?
yeah. What we have done is that we have created a redirect. We call it differently so that we from the link we put in here in the XML, we redirect to the ARS one. So like that it's, yeah, for example, I'm going to show you. So for example, we have this on iServer, I redirected. We have in XML is going to be http j2commerce.com/j2store/ and the name of the app, that XML, which is easy to, for the user because when they see your update server on their Joomla console, they see the ARS file.
So redirect.
So what we have done is that we kept the old names that they had in the, which was HTML.
So just in here.
Oh no, I created an htaccess file.
Oh, but it's the same thing, right?
Yeah, it should be able to work. Yeah, it should be able to work. But if it doesn't,
and then
try
the new URL would be what? Just
no, this is the other way around.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, and then you call it well, change with your the first part already, the J2Commerce part. Yeah, to yours, okay. Yeah, and then maybe you call it like we did
That something like that.
that XML.
Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
like that, and then
And then I put this into the thing.
that's the one. That's the one you put in your application, like the people will see a nicer looking version of it. Yeah,
Like this.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, I don't think I'm too fussed about that. I'm happy to leave the other one because it saves me one more task. But
Yeah, definitely.
it's good to understand how to do that anyway. And also, do you
But
mind if I upload this video afterwards so that everyone else could learn from this?
sure, no, that's about it. Yeah,
Oh, it's kind of simple once you understand it, but if you like,
yeah,
it's alien at the beginning, right?
yeah. The one thing you can also add is that
Oh, so I didn't add
you
any
can
menu items for this
you
thing.
can
So
add, yeah, you can. Well, that's the thing is when you want to show the files to your audience, then you have to create
this or items.
releases. No, I would say first you could have letters releases, but releases, yes.
Oh, I could have categories. Oh no,
Yeah.
categories is the wrong one.
Uh,
Categories is not categories.
yeah.
Okay, and then okay, right.
So you can specify for each, or if you can specify the,
Just latest releases.
yeah,
That shows everything.
yes. I mean up to the, I don't remember if there is an option to select how many you want in there.
Okay, fine. So then, okay, yeah, I'll just quit that, and then I'll do the last one.
Well, if you do it that way, it's nice because people see it from the what's new to what's the oldest. So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but otherwise you can also, it depends on how many extensions you have, but you can also have a menu item for each extension and
Yeah, I mean, for SEO reasons, you would think that would be a good idea.
mm,
So then that's what it looks like. It hasn't got anything else.
yeah. And
Okay,
then
fine. So then I can make this look nice quite well, and then
yeah, and then you can also add some change logs.
uh, then
If
how do I
so,
in the XML?
yeah, but
Oh, because we did it here before, like this, but this was in a
the
different tool.
yeah, but the change logs that they have in Joomla is not they are not created with the ARS tool. The change logs that you can see in ARS it's basically a text file that you can put in your version uh, directory, and it's picked up by
In here?
ARS, and it creates, yeah.
So what do I need to do?
So what it's a little specific. You really have to go to the documentation for it, but basically it's a text file that is called changelog, but all uppercase.
Uppercase, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then in there, this is what you can do. I am going to put in a chat. You can add all these things.
Oh, I spelled it wrong. One second.
So it needs to be a text file, and it's called changelog uppercase.
Okay, and then
See what you can put in it. Yeah.
oh, okay. So plus is added, minus is
Yeah.
removed.
And it's going to format it depending on if it's something that's an
Okay,
addition, a removal, or
and then this is just a heading or something. Okay,
yeah.
just markdown basically,
And
sort of.
it's only picked up the first time. The first time you have it in your folder, it's picked up, but it doesn't update if you modify it and apply. The bleeding edge thing only works once.
Oh, I see.
Hmm.
Oh, so in the next version you'll have to wait for the changelog, which is how changelog's supposed to work, right? If you're
Yeah,
making a change, you
anyway.
should do a new version.
Yeah, exactly.
Um,
But in our case now, since we haven't done it, what you can do is delete the release and the items, and then we go back to bleeding and should recreate it.
um,
And the same thing here, you're probably gonna have to play with CSS to make it look nice.
so why don't I just do? Oh, I see.
So
But then I
you,
just would do a new release then, right? So if I
oh
do,
yeah, do the release if you want. That's what I usually do to test it out.
oh, I did 10. That was a quick release jump from 1 to 10.
You're maybe
I'm
happy to
getting
see
really
that
good at this.
such improvements.
Already we're on version 10.
So you need your zips and the changelog.
Okay, so I do this, I got this. Okay, and now I go on my bleeding
No,
edge.
you don't put sorry, don't put that txt. You just there's no that txt in it. Just changelog. Yeah.
Like this?
And it's one word, right? I can't see it from here.
Yes, one
Yeah.
word, yeah.
Okay.
And then 1 second, let me save that on my computer. Alright, changing the file name, blah blah blah. Okay, fine. So now I go to my bleeding
Your
edge.
bleeding edge page, and
Oh,
you go back to the second one.
what happened?
What?
I did something wrong?
No, go back to it.
Oh, I have to go to the admin chat. Okay.
Yeah, you are not in the
And
right
then
one.
I will see this
No, the other one. This is the other one, right? You
other one.
changed.
Right.
Yeah.
Ah, cool. So now the other one is there. And then I can see more information. What's the change log?
It should be in there.
Maybe I go to the
Maybe in the the more information at the first. Yeah, there are two more information.
this.
The first one.
Oh, that's cool. But I edited it in this one, right? Yeah, change log is here.
Yeah, in the second up.
Then yeah. Oh, I see. So it's at the.
Yeah, it's the second version
Oh,
of the
this is more
WhatsApp.
information about the file, and this is
Yeah.
more information
So
about the product. Right.
yeah.
Oh, that's so confusing.
Yeah, it's a little, it could be improved.
Yeah.
Do you have extra dots because you probably have empty lines? It's really basic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Because
it's really basic.
yeah, I think I extra lines. That's right. Yep. Okay, fine.
It
Doesn't
doesn't
matter.
remove the empty lines.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. It's cool. It's okay, but
But
then this will
the
stay
bleeding edge
until
things, yeah, the bleeding edge thing is very useful because you can automate already a part of the
Mm.
ARS release system.
Yeah, yeah, really useful.
One thing you need to check though, if you go to the items that you released, what we have done is we have created a little plugin because when you go, for example, go into any of the files,
This?
yeah. If you go down, see environments, it's not specified. So this is where you want to specify for which version of Joomla this is going to work.
Right.
So if you want it to work for all version of 5, say like you say 5x,
Uh-huh.
and this is going to be added to your XML of the update stream.
Cool. And so you got a plugin that does that automatically?
Yeah, I got that. I created a plugin for that because it wouldn't do it if you don't specify anything.
Yeah.
It actually um it only applies the versions of Joomla you've been creating the release under. So your
So if
site is under
I can
Joomla
put it in here?
5. Yeah, your site is under Joomla 5, so you basically release extensions that only work for Joomla 5. That's what it assumes as a default.
Okay, okay.
That's why if you want to allow other Joomla versions to be using your extension, you need to specify 4x,
Yeah.
5x,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. Got it.
6x if it's ready for 6. Hmm.
So then where would I put that though? In here?
No, it's the update server. It's Joomla that takes care of it. It doesn't. You don't have to specify it in your extension.
Okay. It used to
Mm-mm.
though, right?
Yeah, it used to, but not since 4. We don't need it anymore.
Okay, fine. So now, but I have to remember to manually do the items like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
There are events that are tied to the creation of the bleeding edge categories and releases, I mean. And you can tie to these events and do extra stuff. Like we do extra stuff on every time we release something. So for example, the environment, I made it so that it automatically sets them to 4 and 5 for now.
Okay. Got it.
And things like that. So there are a few things you can do.
Okay.
But
Got it.
you need to create an ARS plugin for it.
Okay. Cool.
And
Okay. How do you know how to create an ARS plugin?
um, I went through the documentation here, Nicolas has, and then I saw that there were all these events that are available. Um, and
Right.
it's
Things.
it's you go don't go through his website, go through his GitHub wiki. Um,
Um.
because this is where it's the most
Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah. So this is where you can find more information.
Okay. This is cool.
And then if you need help, if you feel that you need something like that, you just let me know, and then I can show you what
Yeah.
we've
Okay.
done.
I think
Mm.
probably I'll think about doing. Maybe I think it would be a good example. So what I think this would be a good video that I can put online. I'll check the beginning and crop it or something.
Mhm.
And then it will be a good video to stick on the YouTube maybe, because then everybody could start releasing more stuff easily, and that would be, the more developers we have, the better Joomla can be.
Yeah. I mean, I'm probably not, we have probably not touched every little aspect of ours, but it is the basic.
No, it's a good
Um,
quick tutorial. People could follow this easily in like half an hour.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I
But
should crop out my phone call in the middle as well. People might find that funny. They're watching me on the phone for 10 minutes. Okay, cool. Thank you, though. I really appreciate your time
yeah,
showing
of
it to me.
course. Yeah.
Uh, that made it so much easier to learn, and otherwise it's going to be a barrier there with me thinking I don't know how to do it. But actually
Mm-mm.
now it's really easy
Yeah,
to do.
it took us a little while to figure all that out and try and automate as much as we can so that we don't have to spend time on releasing stuff.
Yeah, great. And
So
then
we're in the middle where we have things that we release automatically and some we don't. So it's
yeah,
it's not helping as much as we want yet. But as soon as everything is automated, it will be much simpler
yeah,
to go
yeah,
through everything.
yeah.
Mm.
I had some grunt or something before where I was incrementing the version number, creating the zip file, and then uploading to FTP, you know.
Mhm.
That was just type grunt at the end of every command, and then just like it does take a few seconds, but you can just do
Yeah.
something else quickly.
But if you will create the I mean the thing is with the automation with GitHub is nice if you have a public directory. But as soon as you get into private stuff, then it's I don't know if it makes it harder to I mean, how can I say? Well, if you have a public repository, you can, create releases and milestone and all that stuff, and everybody sees that, and then could download from there, or they can go to your site. And as soon as you have a private directory, repository, sorry, then you don't have anything available to the public. So everything has to be done in the shadow in a way.
So you can only call it changelog. You can't add the version number of the changelog or anything.
No, you just call it changelog, and then as long as it's alongside your new version, it's fine. You
But on my computer, I'm gonna lose the old version, and it might be useful to have sometimes. I guess it's all in GitHub anyway.
but the changelog it's going to be tied to your version. So if you show all your old versions on your site, people can still access the changelog of the old version.
Maybe every time I do a release, I change the version on GitHub or something.
Yeah, you if you um yeah, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. That's where it becomes tricky to try and automate it, everything because it's
Maybe I just have a
really
new branch or something every time, and then I
yeah,
can.
it really depends on how it's set up in GitHub.
Yeah, I think
Mm.
maybe a branch for the old version, and then main version was on the main branch.
Yeah, that's what we have done. We have created
Yeah.
we don't create a branch every we use milestones. You can use milestones.
Hmm. On GitHub?
Yeah. So you set like we do in Joomla, you set milestone for that one, milestone for that two, things like that.
What? Not in here though, right?
It's when you were where is it? It's when you were on pull request, I think. Yeah, you have milestones, yeah.
Oh,
And then you can create a milestone every time you want several PRs to be in the same version. You put them in under the same milestone.
okay,
And so then it's easy to sort by milestone and you know what is in there.
okay, fine. Sounds like a way to do that.
That's what we do for every version we have, like for 0.16, for 0.15. They all have a different milestone. So you can, if you then select which milestone you want, then you see all the PRs that are only for that milestone.
That makes more
And then
sense
we
when
do the
you're
same
working.
way. We do the same with Joomla. It's easier to sort it out. And then when you create a release, then it's automatically created by GitHub. The whole list of PRs
Hmm.
is automatically listed with the who did them and stuff. You know, like when Joomla releases something new, there is a whole number of, I mean, the whole information we have on at the release, the PRs, and then who created them, all that is automatically created by GitHub. It's not something we do ourselves. It's just GitHub doing it.
Okay, that's good.
The what's new section and all that stuff. Mm.
Okay, Well, I mean, because I always work on my own, I get trapped into following bad practices because I'm just not really team working, which is what it's made for. But the
Mm.
milestones makes much more sense when you're in a team.
Yeah, definitely. When you're by yourself, it's you add a little work to yourself.
Yeah, but I sometimes have other developers dropping in and out, and it's better if
Yeah,
we just have a good practice throughout the company, even if I'm
exactly.
working on myself.
Yeah, exactly. Mm.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
still have to do it myself for my own extensions.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's
Mm.
really good advice as well. Thanks.
Mm.
Right. I've taken enough of your time. I appreciate your help.
No, you're welcome.
I'll edit the video and put it online so others can benefit from it as well.
Okay, sounds good.
Awesome. Thanks, Olivia.
Hey, thanks.
My
Okay.
nemesis, it gets everyone to say my name the wrong way around, hey?
Hmm?
Everyone calling me Olivier now because of you.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I have to
That's so
release more
weird.
extensions now so that you get called Oliver instead.
Yes.
All right, cool. Thanks for your help.
All
I'll
right.
speak to you later.
All right. See you.
Bye.
Bye.